In this video, I'll show you how to post photos on Facebook page and arrange them. So open up your Facebook. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to create different albums. So if you love it to be in, let me say, album of 2025, album of 2026, you need to watch my previous video about how I can be able to create an album. So right now I have two albums. I have the high album, I have the test album. And right now I've posted just two photos here on my Facebook. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So if you love to arrange this according to album, just tap on this three dotted icon. You're going to be able to see add to album. So I'm going to tap on it. So I'm going to select high. I've added it. So for this one, I'm going to do the same. I'll click on, let me say, test. So yeah, you can see I just set up everything. So if I go to my photos, if I go to my album, you can see everything has been successfully arranged well. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Share this video to someone that needs to see this. I'll see you all in the very next one.